Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So now we're in the St. Regis in Macau. So about 2 hours from Hong Kong, either by boat or by bus, point to point. Then I'm going to detail our transportation later. But we're now in St. Regis, Macau for the Valentine's Day long weekend. So we finished work a little early, and then catch the bus to come over, so to make it a long weekend. So we stay here only for one night because the hotel is fairly expensive over this weekend, especially. Normally Macau hotel are very expensive on weekends, but because it's Valentine's Day on the Friday, the hotel is pretty much sold out and it's fairly expensive. So this is a regular room. I'm going to give you a full hotel or room tour, but this one cost about $500 US. And of course, I cannot use my suite upgrade to upgrade to any of the suite. So, but they are nice to assign the high floor. So I'm going to show you everything. So this is the regular room. And when I walk in, on my left is the bathroom. So with the double sink, with a nice bathtub. My favorite, as you know, the frappe bathrobe. Okay, and then to pool bottle, the 2 bottles of water, and then the amenities. So you see a remote control here, because over here is actually a TV if I turn it on. So let me show you a little bit. They do have the amenities. Okay, and then this is their rain shower. It's not too big, but hopefully the power is good. And then this is the amenities again. Okay, so, and then this is the toilet. Yeah, okay. So walking out is going to be a quick room tour. Another frappe bathrobe, and then with the slipper. So with the St. Regis slipper, but this one I don't think is the flatty one. You know, for some St. Regis they do provide it, but I don't think it's this one. And then of course the laundry bag, the shoe shine and everything. And we put our one big piece of luggage here, and then with the umbrella. Okay, so moving right along, this is the non-smoking king size room with the decor. This is the decor. Okay, they do have a plant here, and then this is the TV. Okay, let's check out. Okay, they have a very good size, very big safety deposit box, even for like a big laptop or such. Okay, and then this is the mini bar. Some people hate this mini bar because I'm going to zoom in closer. It's an automatic refreshment center. Because you open it, you take something out, even if you don't like it and put it back, they will charge right away. So I think I've seen this before, but I haven't seen this for a while. But this is the mini bar that is the automatic system. So I cannot even open, you know, I can show you what they have, you know, the pops, some wine, some snacks and stuff, but I'm not going to open it or take anything out because then I'll be charged. Okay, then they have, okay, this is the Nespresso machine. Okay, also with a few bottles of water, which is nice, and then the kettle, and then they have all the proper cups and everything. You know, 6 capsules, a lot of tea bags, so which is good. And I think they do have the proper glassware, the wine glasses and everything as well. Okay, so here you can see, if I really, to be fair, stand here, you see the building opposite blocking, although I'm on the 31st floor, which is, you know, one of the highest floor that they have already. But anyway, I'm going to show you the view first. When you walk in along that corner, I can see the Macao Evo Tower. So, and then down there is the swimming pool view and everything. So again, I'm already on the 31st floor, which is one of the higher floor, and this is the view. Okay, so going back to the bed, okay, it's a king size bed, and with the pillows, everything very, you know, up to the standard. And I always check, you know, thick mattress, and also they have the frappe duvet. So this is how thick the mattress is, which I love. Okay, so, and this is the small living room area, and then this is either a small dining table or the work desk, because all the adapters, all the working light, everything is here. Okay, so now this is the welcome fruit, which is nice. They have a handwritten note, but they haven't customized it, just saying dear guest, which is okay. And then this is the welcome letter, okay, for the Platinum Elite member. So I'm going to go through it very quickly so you know what is included in my stay. So in addition to the bonus point that we always earned and 20% discount at the Manor, 20% at Spa, the welcome amenity is either 1,000 points of breakfast. So we choose the breakfast, and that is between 7 to 1 p.m. at the Manor. You know, we have lunch at the Manor before. I think I've one specific video on the Manor before, so if you like, you can check it out. We do not get any suite upgrade, but I was told it is a better room, nicer room. I've requested late checkout at 4 p.m. And then actually they have the exquisite moment. That is kind of like the happy hour from 6 to 7. That they have it at the Regis Bar, St. Regis Bar on the 2nd floor. So, which is like the champagne and such. And of course, the most, you know, famous service for St. Regis is the butler service. He or she hasn't knocked on my door yet or hasn't called, but that is what I expected from the butler at St. Regis. So this is pretty much the room, and then we are going to have breakfast tomorrow morning, so I will show you. And then after Macau, we're going to cross the border to Zhuhai in China, which is very close to Macau. And we will spend the Saturday night there, and we'll be also staying at St. Regis, and they have upgraded us using the Suite 9 award to 1-bedroom suite. So I'm going to show you our Valentine's weekend from Macau to Zhuhai in China. Stay tuned.